Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot connect to App Store. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix this problem. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, we have to just simply open settings. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet and there is no connected VPN on your device. If there are connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that scroll it below, then tap on general, and from here guys simply tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If you have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply go back, scroll it down, and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply drag down your control center and turn on airplane mode 15 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it off, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply open date and time, and you have to simply set automatically and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again go back. Now from here guys, hold it down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So guys, simply tap on it and again tap on reset and tap on again reset network settings. And from here guys, you have to just simply enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.